On December 14th, we're going to be closing access to this existing Historic District parking lot and resealing it and restriping it, and that will clean up the configuration of the parking so it's easier to understand how to move around and where to park. And then also it will provide a 10-foot shared path that will be striped, that will run north-south and connect to the existing 10-foot sidewalk that was opened as a part of the Fruitville roundabout a few weeks ago, and tie in up at the 10th Street roundabout to their 8-foot sidewalk as the 10th Street roundabout completes in the next few weeks. As a part of our ongoing improvements on the 53 acres, and specifically in the Fountain Garden, now that we've got some beautiful weather, we really encourage folks to come down and enjoy the Fountain Garden. It's beautiful right now, especially this time of year. And next time you come down, in addition to the landscape and fountain improvements we've made, if you listen, you may hear that we've got some festive holiday music piped through the garden. And so it's all a part of our ongoing improvements to provide great places for everyone in our community to come and enjoy on our 53-acre park.